Hi Jonathan, Phil Beever here from the Wilderness Club. Just going to recap on our lesson today. So first things first, if we look how wide your stance is, if we draw a line, not very straight, there we go, and another line, they are nowhere near in line with your shoulders, okay? So we need you to first of all narrow your feet. So if we look at this guy here, we can see that his are just slightly on his shoulder line, okay? Yeah, slightly outside, but nothing compared to yours. So first of all, narrow them stance for me. Second thing is we had to change your spine tilt, okay? So we can see here, as you start to take the club away, already your spine is starting to tilt the wrong way at the top of the swing. We can see that here, and so your arms get very floppy, narrow, left arm bends. We can see that there, you have a massive overswing purely because of your spine and chest is tilting the wrong way. So if we look at this guy here on the right, when he gets to the top of his swing, his spine is tilting that way. So very, very different. So he looks fully loaded on his right side. He looks like, he's got a lot of pressure into that right side of his body, where you've got everything almost on your left side because you're tilting the wrong way. Now, why are you doing that? So for me, it looks really that these hips slide to the right too much, which actually puts pressure on your chest, and top half to lean the other way, the opposing way. So we worked very hard on one, trying to quieten the hips down, but two, actually only to move the top half to the right. So lots of mirror work for you at home. I gave you a drill where you set up with no golf club in golf posture and then just reverse the hands under each other, and that gives you a good stretch. But lots of gym work as well doing it for me. Well, I want you to swing it to about here, but get that spine better, almost like this guy here on the right, Robert Rock. We can see it's a very short, compact swing, but his spine is tilting the right way. So we started to work on that. That narrow stance really helped, because as you come through now down to hit the ball, one, you're scooping it. So actually, once you make contact with the ball, we can see your shaft is at this angle and your hands are behind the club head, where if you look at this guy here as he starts down, very different. You look at the difference of his shaft angle, okay? Hugely different. And that's purely because you're seesawing, you're moving to your left, then to your right, well, this guy's moving to his right, then back to his left. And then look at this guy's left leg, it's starting to straighten as he comes through into this beautiful position here, where if we look at yours, because you were so wide, it could never straighten. We've got a lot of flex there. So it's just things that are slightly going wrong for us. So first of all, narrow the stance. Second of all, let's get that top half pushing to the right. Keep the hips quiet. That's key for you. I want you to stop at the top a lot of the times, just to try and get that swing a little bit wider, and then from there turn through and hit it, and we should see some massive changes. Thank you.